Welcome to Jillian's ePortfolio for Learning Technologies 370. I'm going to show you a few seconds of some of the videos I've made. The first one is my Powtown. Here's just a brief description of what I did and what I thought was really important to include in the video. Next, I'm going to play a little bit of my P21 and the college that Caitlin and I made. This is a PowerPoint describing it.
We decided to do the Virginia College of Instructional Design. I'm Jillian. I'm Caitlin. And Kate cannot speak today because she got her wisdom teeth out. So our college is all based on the P21 framework for 21st century learning, and it's revolving around specifically the learning and innovation skills, the 4 C's: critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity.
Okay, and then here's another clip of our iMeeting. Alright, next we're going to move on to artifacts. I decided to include these 10 because I really felt like they were all different and they all really showcase all the skills that I've learned over the years, especially using the concept map. I feel like this was a particular artifact and media creation tool because it really, I was able to show all the connections of all the tools that we've learned, and it was really interesting to see how they all related into media creation tools and how they use different parts of technology to make a really interesting concept. Another thing that I thought was really interesting was the infographic. I learned a lot using that because I was able to organize all my information using titles and cool fonts. My tip for using this particular app was to have a template, and that made it really easy to use and organize all your information. That way you're not picking shapes and stuff. It's right there and you can show it to you in a very interesting way.